All right, I was just about to do some wire wrapping when suddenly I get a package. Let's find out what's inside. This is hard to do with just one hand. Yep, very, very difficult indeed. But I want to unveil this beautiful package and share it with somebody. And this is the price that I pay with one hand. Very good. And this is how you open something in delivery from the USPS. Yes. Very good, yes. What is this? What is this? Are you kidding me? USPS, you need to be more fragile with my packet. It's not good. Not a good look for the USPS. Although I still would prefer USPS over UPS or... Oh. Thank you. By the way, this is from Pelham, Grayson Rose. And for anybody into the wholesale crystals, they're based out of, I forget, Connecticut, I think, Illinois. Oh, it'll say right here. All right, or will it not? Interesting, very interesting. But yeah, somewhere over there. And let's have a look at what we got here. Just a second. Yes, you see how I scribble out, you cannot tell who I am. Because I am Yuri from Russia. And here we see Stonington, Connecticut, United States. That is where the Pelham Grayson Rose is. And what is inside this box? We have amethyst, clear quartz, amethyst, celestial points, citrine, commercial grade, 2 kilos. Now the thing is, they used to do before, when it was Pelham Grayson, they would also say where the crystals come from. But I suppose I could shoot them an email and find out. Yeah, I did say email. I meant email. And without further ado, let us unravel the crystals inside the package. I am not a fan of the plastic packaging. However, I do understand, based on, I believe, the law of delivery packaging. These appear to be what I would assume to be the crystal quartz. Although, fun fact, amethyst and citrine are still technically quartz. They are just of a different color variation of the quartz family. Beautiful, beautiful quartz crystals. I can tell right away, for example, this big guy here will be difficult for me to wrap and sell. Perhaps I can use for some metaphysical purposes. Whereas something like this looks like a beautiful potential necklace, or if I can find a brother for this one, of reasonably same size and shape, these can become earrings. Very good. Now, on to the next. This appears to be a rough kilo of amethyst crystal. Right away, my heart breaks a little bit as I see these markings inside the bag, which means that the crystals unfortunately did get tumbled around. Not by a tumbler, but by delivery system. This is the price we pay for shipment crystals. And here we are. If you can see, crystal dust is not good indication that these crystals handled transportation very well. This is through no fault of the crystal supplier. It's kind of sad though. It is kind of sad. And I prefer actually to take these out fragile one by one to avoid further scratching. Very many of these crystals are in some kind of odd shape that it will be difficult for me to wire wrap without some creative ingenuity. But nevertheless, that is what the artist is about. Creative solutions. Beautiful. Beautiful, transparent clarity. Good specimen. Yes, very good. Let us get on. Trash on the floor where trash belongs. Just like in third world countries. That is a terrible joke. Yes, I hear it, and it's too late. I already said it. Here is the second kilo, what I assume is only more raw amethyst. Here is an interesting shape. This will be fun to see what I do. Moving on. In the next bundle, we have, oh, this is pretty good. I appreciate that, actually. You see how there's napkins wrapping inside of the plastic bag. And let's find out what it is that we have here. Beautiful, beautiful amethyst, celestial quartz. Very good condition, no scratch marks. Raw amethyst. Here is the brother. Again, very beautiful. No scratch marks. Moving on, we have one more. By process of elimination, this can only be citrine. Trash goes on floor, create more space on table. Citrine broken. No, just kidding. That is to be expected. It just means that it is broken off when it was mined and harvested. Made in Brazil. Well, we know one country of origin. I want to be careful with these scissors not to stab any of the crystals. Very difficult with just one hand. But in Russia, we take care of bears, fully grown, very aggressive, with just one hand and daily. There is an aroma, very strong, very pungent, very tranquil energy coming from out of here, like citrine, like citrus. Beautiful. Beautiful. It just feels very smooth. Oh yes. Very exciting, very good stuff. Thank you, Pelham, Grayson, Rose, for special delivery. You are once again a fantastic business and you have my loyalty. Cheers.